In this video we will see how to log in the right LinkedIn account. Let's get started. I am checking my location. My location is right in United States. LinkedIn should be searched with a new tab. First click on the website. Once you are on the LinkedIn official home page, click on Sign In. Here you have to enter the LinkedIn email password. Click on Sign In. A confirmation code will be sent to your email to verify your device. You need to confirm with that code. If you confirm with that, the account login will be successful. Now we will see how to log in account in Bangladesh location. First we will go to LinkedIn official page. I will click Sign In. I will click Sign In with email password. Account login successful. Hope you have benefited from watching this video. Thanks for watching.